You've clicked on this video because you want to set up your Binance in a way that allows the crypto you already hold to make you some more. In this video, we're going to be covering 3 Binance products that allow you to put in your crypto and allow you to make a return on them. The first step, of course, is to open a Binance account, which is simply done by clicking our link in the description, putting in your email, creating a password, and then clicking create personal account. You will then need to verify your identity, and then you will have full access to everything that Binance has to offer. In addition to this, you get a bonus for using our link to open your Binance account. You get a 5% discount on your trading fees for as long as you're a Binance user. So it's a win-win situation for you. So once you have your account set up, you can go ahead and explore one of these 3 options. The first is flexible products. Now, these allow you to subscribe with a particular amount of cryptocurrency, which, depending on the product, can be as little as 0.01 unit of your preferred cryptocurrency. So your subscription amount is then put in a flexible savings account and starts to accrue interest based on the APR of the product, which will differ from product to product. You can withdraw your subscription amount and the interest associated with it at any one point with flexible products. That's what makes this different from the next product we are going to talk about, which is locked products. But before we go ahead and talk about that, one thing that we'd like to point out is that finding this product and using it is very easy. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the earn option in the menu bar, select simple earn, and then select a product you want to subscribe to. Once you've selected the product you want to subscribe to, click the flexible option, which most of the products have, and then you input your subscription amount, agree to Binance's terms and conditions, and then click confirm. If you want to view your product, you'll need to go to the wallet tab in the menu bar, click earn, and then click the flexible tab if it's not already selected. You should see your product listed under that. The second product, like we mentioned earlier, is locked products. So locked products are very similar to flexible products, and they are even accessed in the same way. You'll be able to find them in the same place. The main difference is that with locked products, you subscribe to a product and you are not at liberty to withdraw your subscription amount plus the interest at any point. Now, it should be noted that you can actually withdraw your subscription amount. You can actually cancel your subscription, but then the cost to that is that you lose that interest that you've earned in that period of time that has passed of the time period that you had set. The second difference is that naturally, with locked products, you will definitely earn higher yields than flexible products. Now, to subscribe, instead of selecting the flexible option, you'll need to select a number of days that you want to commit to holding your cryptocurrency in the locked product, input your subscription amount, agree to the Binance Simple Earn service agreement, and then click confirm. You'll be able to view your product by going to the wallet tab in the menu bar, selecting earn, and then clicking on the locked tab. You should see your product listed down there. Now, the third product that we want to look at in this video is dual investment. With this product, it's unique in the sense that no matter which way the market swings, whether it's going down or up, you get to earn some crypto on your investment. Now, with your investment, you get to buy or sell cryptocurrency at your desired price and date in the future. Dual investment comprises of 2 ways of investing. The first one is buy low, and the second is sell high. With the buy low option, you get a chance to buy your desired cryptocurrency, for example Bitcoin, at a lower price in the future with stablecoins, which will either be USDT or BUSD. There are 2 scenarios that can happen when you subscribe to this product. The first is if your target is reached by the settlement date, meaning that the market price is at or below the target price, then your stablecoins will be used to buy Bitcoin. The second scenario is if your target price is not reached by the settlement date, meaning that the market price is above your target price, then you get to keep your crypto. Now, in both scenarios, you get to earn your stablecoins from the jump. That happens automatically, but once your target is reached, or if your target is reached, then you'll be paid your subscription amount plus the interest in Bitcoin. With the sell high option, you get the chance to sell your existing crypto at a higher price in the future for a stable coin, which in this case will be BUSD. Now, in the 2 scenarios like mentioned, this also has 2 scenarios like with the buy low product. In those 2 scenarios, the first is if your target price is reached by the settlement date, meaning that the market price is at or below the target price, then your crypto will be sold for BUSD. The second scenario is if your target price is not reached by the settlement date, meaning that the market price is below the target price, then you get to keep your cryptocurrency. And just like in the buy low product or the buy low investment, you earn interest in stablecoins. And if your target is reached, you'll be paid your subscription amount and interest in BUSD. Now, in order to access your dual investment product, you will need to go to the menu bar and select the Earn tab. You will need to select dual investment after that and then subscribe to your preferred product. We actually have a video showing you how to use the dual investment product step by step, and it's on the screen right now. So if you're interested in taking action at the moment, go ahead and click on that. Other than that, for questions, suggestions, comments, we'll see you in the comment section. Until next time.